As the stock market closed higher, we are excited to say the rally has came from one stock, Netflix, and only Netflix. But on my screen, I am tired of talking about 10-year Treasury yield, but it just plays a major impact. Just to say, watch out because 10-year Treasury yield is back on the rise again, and also the boost that we got in the market all came from one stock, which is Netflix. As you can see, that Nasdaq pushed up today and retrieved some of its gain, pushed up, pushed up, and previous rejection, which was here. We went there today and then got rejected again, and now we're pulling back, just a slight pullback, which is always expected. But also there is after hours earnings that's going to impact the market tomorrow, just like Netflix did yesterday. Came out with earnings, and then after earnings, Nasdaq pushed all the way up because better than expected earnings with Netflix. You can see that Netflix hit an all-time high, and with that all-time high, we're looking forward to see a continuous rally in the market. But nevertheless, we're still waiting to see more reports that's going to come out again after hours. Nasdaq is killing it, and also Nvidia pushed all the way up to what, 147, coming back from 29, that 129 a share. So keep an eye out for that because we're watching it closely. But there is one stock that I want to talk about, which is nothing other than American Airlines that will be reporting tomorrow. So when they report tomorrow, what is expected? So we're looking for an estimate of 66 cents. So again, tomorrow American Airlines will report earnings either before market or after market. And if they do miss, as you can see, previously they missed back in the first quarter in 24, and nevertheless they can also miss their first quarter in 25. But you can see that their second quarter and third quarter they beat, and that's what caused the stock to rally tremendously. As you can see, they're trading from $9 all the way to $18. But watching this stock for the last 3 years, you can see that hit previous rejection become a new rejection for the last 3 years. So they were trading 3 years ago, they were trading at $19.16, and you can see that they pushed up, got rejected, and sold all the way off to $9.07, and then recover with the last two earnings and pushed up and still getting rejected here. So we can acknowledge and say that this is a rejection phase. But if they do beat earnings tomorrow, let's see, earnings before market. So 7:30 tomorrow we will see, but I can tell you, if they do beat earnings, it's something that I'm going to watch. Why? If they do pull back to $9 or even lower, I will be watching it for consolidation. And once consolidation hit, I will be getting some shares. Even though consolidation for this stock doesn't really show me any significant, because look what they did. They pulled back, and then from that it didn't even consolidate it. The stock went, the stock just start pushing right back up. So that's something to watch. It's just like Target did. Pull back, pull back on bad earnings, even though it consolidated a little. But right here is a perfect example, just like American Airlines. Bad news came out, pulled back, and then what? Look what it did. Never consolidated. Pushed up, pushed up, pushed up, and then trading around there. Unlike Nvidia, once it pulls back and it pushed up, because it is more aggressive. I will come to that conclusion to say that once a stock is more aggressive, it's just going to keep on pushing up once rejected. But we all can say that tomorrow at 7:30, I will be watching this. I'll update you guys as best as I can. With Netflix going up, continuously going up, watching this for a while. But we all can agree that the market is in favor of the bulls. And with that said, we're watching this also tomorrow. We're looking for an economic update with initial claim and continuous claim on the board. So that can also bring another incentive to higher market volatility tomorrow. So the market can continue to push on up because of how volatile news can be. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and let me know how can we help you to be a better trader.